One of the topics that you sent over and I like is Windows Virtual Desktop. So give us an idea of what's going on in that space. This is another one of those moves into the cloud that I think we're seeing from a lot of different angles now.
Yeah, so I think about when you think about the traditional role of the CIO or CTO or CDO and all these different teammates that really create the encompass office of the office of the CIO or the office of IT. We can't forget about what really is that foundational layer of infrastructure and operations. Like, you never get away from it. It's probably where we all started as well. And the expense of IT continues in a lot of ways to go up. So as we think about how we've moved things to the cloud or virtualization, there's always been this like ongoing cost of desktop and some of that infrastructure. So now that Windows Virtual Desktop is in public preview and something you can partition through the cloud, you think about being able to bring the cost down of your security updates, of how often you have to update your machines. It's a huge benefit for Office 365 users. I think it was last year when Microsoft bought FS Logix to streamline application provisioning in a virtualized environment. So they're trying to pick up all these pieces to make it so that, and I get there's a one-to-one relationship in some of your clinical settings. For the most part, when you can bring like single user Windows 7 virtual desktop infrastructure, Windows 10 and remote server and Azure and all those things together, just allows you to just put your money into other things like digital transformation and not have to always worry about some of the blocking and tackling. So it's pretty fun to see it and the cost reduction that can occur in that, because you want to drive down the cost of the things that are always going to be a blocking and tackling mechanism, so you can reinvest those dollars in the big shiny things that we know we need to head toward digital transformation and AI, which are actually really becoming things we can sink our teeth into as leaders today.